Alright, hello everybody. I know it's nighttime. I just got home from work, finishing my dinner. So I'm gonna set up and start doing my gift bags for my coworkers, my employees at work. So I really have nothing much at all, but I did bought some gift bags from Amazon and I bought a lot of candy. I bought like 200 worth of candy, so I hope it's worth it. But like I say, it's once in a while and once in a blue moon and once a year, so it's not gonna hurt to buy 200 worth of candy. These are the baggies that I bought from Amazon. So it has 50 pieces in there with stickers. I have pictures of it and somewhere here or here. So I bought these from Amazon, and then I bought these mini of the little toys. This is only for like 3 and up, but I'll show you. I already opened one up already. So this one I'm not gonna give out to. It's just mine. And then you're gonna, there you go. So it's something cute for Halloween. Look at that. That's it. Alright. I have not opened up the other one to see if it works or not, but I'm just gonna keep it that way. This one's open, so I'll keep this one. Alright. Now, I even wrote it down how many people I have at work. Employees, how many people I have. I have at least 14 people. So, I'm gonna carefully open these up. Before I thought that I shouldn't put names on them, but I think I would because certain people are allergic to peanuts. So I don't want to mix them up. So yeah. One. So this is my list. I know. I don't want to show their names on there. So start. I'm gonna open up every bag. These are really good bags. I bought it for $6.99 for 50 pieces, 50 bags, and they're really good. I thought they were going to be thick, but they are pretty good. Alright, so I decided to do 2 bags. So let's see. These baggies are enough. So I'm gonna do 2 bags and add a little bit more candy in there. So these bags are really hard to open. Alright, this is the outcome. It's ready to be passed out on Friday night. Can't wait.